Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity for the freshers. So first important opportunity from the Wipro, and this is a subsidiary company of Wipro which name is Capco. So they are hiring for the entry level production support and job location is Bangalore. So job title is entry level application platform support. Why join Capco? You know very well this Wipro is a large organization and this have diversity, inclusion and career advancement opportunity. Talking about the job description, so they are looking to hire application platform support individual who will help client in banking and trading application platform. So work location will be Capco Bangalore and Saripur, 3 day back from office, and this is a hybrid job. Okay, so work hour that will be based on shift based, and you should be flexible with all shifts. So 5:30 to 2:30 p.m., 2:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. and other shifts are there. And what are the required skills? So your required skill is SQL, Unix, Linux, and OOPS concept. So if you have knowledge of all these, then you should apply for this. And CTC is 5 LPA. So who are eligible? Bachelor degree from accredited university or college in computer science, software system, information technology, and candidate graduating in the year 2025, 2024 and 2022 and 2023. So means 2022 to 2025 all students can apply. So this is one of the wonderful opportunity. If you know any candidates, they must share the job description with them. So you have to just give all your details, and then further process will be there. Next important hiring from the Goldman Sachs, and they are hiring the tax Bangalore analyst tax processing. So this is your analyst job and job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. So this will be your role and responsibility. Remember friends, I will provide all the apply link in the description from where you can directly apply through it, and make sure to apply as soon as possible because anytime any link can expire. So many of the candidates were commenting that link expire, all that things. So you have to be careful and you have to basically apply as soon as possible. So operation experience, so freshers are eligible, and if you have done postgraduate then this is also good things. And superior analytical and problem solving capability होना चाहिए, resultant driven and efficiency, and you can go through complete this. So what are the requirement? Bachelor degree in accounting, finance or business administration, and you should have strong command in business intelligence, that is BI tool like SQL, advanced Excel and all that things. So if you are interested you can apply. Next important hiring from the PwC, they are hiring in associate software development digital integration advisory Kolkata. So this is the Kolkata, and last day to apply is 27th Feb. So make sure to apply as soon as possible and don't wait for the 11th hour or last day because anytime link can expire. So all freshers are eligible. So if you have these skills and matching with that, then you should apply for this important opportunity. And friends, if you have been selected for any interview and if you want to participate in our mock interview, then you can fill the form because this will boost your confidence for real interview, and we will also provide you dedicated feedback that will basically beneficial for your interview. Next hiring, that I have already provided you video literally 2025 pass out, and that is from the IBM, and they are hiring 2024 and 2025 pass out. So if you haven't applied it, must apply it. And I regularly post lots of job update in my YouTube channel. So ICICI Bank and mass hiring is going on, another important hiring going on, so must apply. Coming to next important opportunity, and they are hiring software developer freshers. So freshers are eligible, and package is 2 to 2.5 LPA, and all batch, that is the 2025 and 2026 both are eligible. So this will be your locations and all things. So if you are interested you can send your CV to this WhatsApp number. Coming to next important and last important opportunity, Wire Pro Technology is hiring, and from the motivated and career oriented individuals, open positions are these: DevOps intern, software tester intern. So 2026, 2024, 2025 all batch can apply, and if you are interested you can share your resume to this mail ID. And friends, if you find this video beneficial, make sure to support and subscribe us. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.